actor ben and a president abon ambassador. Na mo refi actor ben na menshi abon abaso. Actor ben na Nigeria movies eji twi e wo Ghana or stop here no. Actor ben we ni ho asini apose. O se there be eja kodi to ni page say there be ankrehunu na yedede. Na hwan na se oye actor no. Oye ohene no. Na oye ohene dia ene enu throne ye ka throne a ahemfo akonya no. Ni na konya na oteso se eye ni throne no. Ene cardboard. Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter her a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter her. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, a good smartphone, so Lino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no such all the other apps. Into my catch they say you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money and that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make catch say Paulino. So what countries are mobile boss so now download the Lemfi na e use never send this car. E be boa ye say the me so aboa me no. Download the Lemfi or App Store and na say Play Store. Agya Koo the shows be able to. Na shows or the able to nyina ne say. Enkofo bebre de na ngofo mo ye de nyina ye Lilwin. Movie or day bar on the 2nd of August SGMO. Ye nyina ye kosia e wo ho na ya hwe movie fefefe we no. Lilwin aye couple of interviews. Na interview ni mu nsem ni bia wo keka ne say. Ono de ono na ye king of YouTube. Sorry, nye king of YouTube. Ono na ye king of Ghana movie industry no. Aha. Ono ena oni ho anachi obi ene na oni competition e wo industry ni o say Lilwin na asema o kana make am o say oni competition e wo industry ni enti e basa o ye bibia ase on feel vibe no na o kika sansem we nyina because already na oni papa J edi nkomo a o say directors e betimi a directing movies akọ international e free pe free no emu ba akọ e director Frank Fifi Gavin. Second one director Jackson Kebentum. No ena JD Ambem into nani anje home because Lilwin can say third one the directors ni na nka mom no mo fa meka ho. Ti John so te sa na no so atoto shots bebre ama Lilwin say no Lilwin undru ye can say currently actors and as comedians cry na all for one come because we are comedian. Nti ope comedian na omo be ba magana fo ani agye ho sisi a currently a obehwe chichiku wanya chichiku obehwe opoku bilson wanya opoku bilson a obekọ ansa no Lilwin din aba ne trip enti sansam na director Jones Agima tutu ja no na e ginger Lilwin na papa J defo ya wa yesa anoma kone okohunu so no anafo anu aba etifi enti owie ye no okohunu nso na okọ etifi wa hono wa na afọ ina okọ etifi no sa akọji mu nchire mu na Lilwin there be se o portrait na midin ka ho a eye na wo de director se o mo bon ko okra de eye wo na wo se zetachi wo ho a o wo achire Lilwin hadwe nti interviews upon interviews I cause of Paulino multimedia menim so wa follow a Miracle Films abekasa achire mbebre directors bebre so akasa Frank Fifi Gabin akasa nti eno na edidi ma na Agya Koo hwe de cause of Paulino multimedia na so affording the arms no TV ho na so enkre omunim de omokeka because Agya minim say den a o hwe Paulino multimedia pa nyame enhia legend Agya Koo nti oyero say mkrai munim de omokeka na de mini ho anane sa senka mini ho mbo a na nka ne sa na hwan na se oye aka ono waje abasobode e current president ho hwan actor ben because ono waje be previous president in the time. Yes, Kobe. Why? You want to sit down? Call mommy or member. Why? Okay, mo fan chame enti eno ena obusa the enya se Agya Koo na ebusa o me na me busa man because actor ben ena president abona basoda na mo refi se actor ben na menhia abona baso actor ben na Nigeria movies eji twi e wo Ghana or stop here no actor ben we ni ho asini apose Agya Koo edwuma wa bone so nti oye no se da bi Agya Koo de to ni page se da bi ankrehunu na yedede na hwan na se oye actor no oye ohene no na oye ohene dia ene enu throne ye ka throne a ahemfo akonya no na konya na oteso se eye ni throne no ene cardboard ye ka cardboard cardboard paper ene ye de aye throne ama ni pakra we se oye ohene sisi no na ye ka sa ohene no so de Lilwin na ye cardboard so de opaja so ba be hye na ye na hini no enkaja. And I like this. The entire Polino, I like this, and I say I like how Lilwin is doing it because all the competition up game name will speedy game up or manko for any abahon. Aside so or manko for any abahon, there are points be a Polino me pese me emphasize it based on what Lilwin is saying because the mama need to one and say Lilwin shots now will true on corner personal attack. On attack you be like personally so be did you be at him. The all children ye juma no. Into uji hu dia also for juma bra ne like ebeboa ama ejuma no creativity na kosoro because say ebe challenge say ya if anybody is doing a production now be making sure say the production no ebe ye ade e wo soro yes say so a ye viewers na e we chi no ye ni beji because dynamics ebe ba juma nim creativity level ebe kosoro. It's true. So we are the challenge ni ma. We feel relaxed. Into say Lilwin the challenge, we throw challenge, at war. Things say it's time ebe boa ama game ni mo speed because Agya Koo ensema o kanyina na say ni pakro no cardboard paper so na wote ni throne no oni ye ni ohini bia wo na chi na ono oba ankrehuni na yedede which I refer to Lilwin ensema o geka no enti ehye me de say Agya Koo so ede ne ho agim we actor na udin aba asem we hu a hu ne say o soro enti na udin abem we director na udin aba asem we hu a hu ne say o soro enti na udin abem na we director we actor na udin mem a for so na udin mem. This is the new trend because it's a competition. The film industry is a competition and a healthy competition about the film industry because now we are getting there. Ghanaians are getting to understand say the movies and the movies set to YouTuber omo beka me enya sika. Ghanaians are understanding say the movie banner fa ye be boa pushi ama promo akọ ama the Netflix and I say Amazon Prime, Disney mo Apple TV mo omo so beje ama movie no every biggest platforms are ye promoting movies no. And say if there is competition it will help. It will push directors to be more creative. It will push actors to do more. It will push script writers to, do more. It will push, editors to stand on their feet. Cameramen, lightsmen, like obia be na juma year because if there is competition now one your dear obi be too so na se yen hwe ode no yen hwe ode no so dia na se on san oduane bo nti yen your talent nyina no ebeboa ama your talent no akosro. And I like this fact say Lilwin has started. Monsieur, so all responding to Lilwin is good, but a man personal attack. A man attack you personally. Sorry. I didn't know say attacking him personally. Yes, you for your Juma attack it. Said the Agya Koo in a Juma airbano. Say or the kind of one Ghana baby too. Yen no, yen one support the talents of Kumawood. And I said the talents are a Ghana film industry. Lilwin at the 2nd August at Dani Kumasi Butu. Or Ejimo Onya Tikita Kopebi na movie no a behete. I hated that into Koniko dear now also be candy home. Seeing no ye baba near behavior. But now we catch you say wherever you find yourself, Biano, say Opa set or send this car. ɛyɛ Lemfi ɛna apa obetimi ɛde send this car akɔ Ghana just download Lemfi nefa send this car kai say we use promo code Polino POLEANO now the send this car so a secure App Store and I say Google Play Store obenya bi downloading Lemfi is the only app what they send this car so rating also all the other apps into on pay way now person Kaiser Polino me na me ka kire nti wo download and no use promo code Polino nti Kumawood beef for no start and then Polino multimedia yeah the more na ebe bro but the ha adwen say legend Daddy Lumba Ephraim nti ye mabusuafo ne Ghana ye nyina ye ho ye akọ na eyi da no so Polino multimedia ye bit follow na ye di nyina abro ye nyina ye nye ya fam de na ye mfam pushi ne mfa nsi legend achi krakrakra ewo enigiem na say eyarehwo de but yensie no na enye nimonyam hye weda na me pe no enye nimonyam hye emma Ghana fo nyina nti ye nyina no on the 2nd of August so yenkai say Ibrahim Traore koso ewo ehimo Lilwin and I say Wizzy Empire movie or the aba edwa so a wo premiere no ye nyina no yenjitwi ne enje ha ana yenjitwi na ekohwe mente hada nti de nyina yenjitwi na yengohwe movie no fefefe na enye enigesem emma Lilwin eni Ghana industry nyina the name still remains I'm strong Polino ade all news bi a ekobia no ye de bebro our channel we nti kai say subscribe and click the bell notification peace out.